Yeah, I do want to go.
How much you said it is to get in?
$250 a person. What's up, y'all? We back.
Oh.
We talking about Rick Ross car show.
Yeah. Don't y'all think $250 per person is a lot of money? That's ridiculous.
Yeah, like
that's absurd. That's rent. That's somebody's rent. What if you got 4 people in the car? That's me and him alone. That's $500. That's probably somebody rent too. You don't know. Like people paying like. Child, we could sit outside and see the same thing we see. Shoot, that's just crazy to me. That's absurd. A rich person getting richer off regular middle class people. That just is crazy to me.
I'm lower class. I don't know what she's talking about.
Yeah, lower class people. Because we is. So that's just crazy.
We actually middle class.
Yeah, I know we middle class, but we
feel
lower
like
class.
I'm lower class. Lower
yeah,
middle class.
Boy, well, we finna be rich. I'm gonna speak that into fruition. But seriously, I just think that's an absurd amount for someone of his caliber to charge to just go inside of a field. That's just crazy.
And it's a processing fee of like $80. I seen. I was like, damn.
Processing fee?
Yeah. On top of that, I'm like, damn.
We'll ride past. We live 5 minutes up the street anyway. We'll ride past and see what's the happen.
Hey, she be hating on my truck, man, because I be putting my sunroof and my press button trunk hat. You excited to get in that bad boy again?
God, I miss my baby.
That's the same smell I smell, but it sound better. Let's see. You gotta replace this battery. Stop touching that tire, but girl, get your hand off that tire. Wipe it on me.
Yeah, because you love to be dirty. You.
Go ahead and put your hand on it.
Shaking.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the motor mount.
Man, you should have told me. Well, I was already here.
I didn't. I just pulled the vehicle up. I didn't even drive. I hadn't even. That was the other boy that was working on it. I just pulled it around here and noticed it.
How much that's gonna run me?
You're gonna need some mounts eventually. I mean, you're not. You know, not gonna.
He invited me to the back of the shop.
Janky?
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
So this one is like you see how I do all my cars, like zinc plate everything. See, everything's zinc plated. All my stuff. I redid this. This was nice. This was like black, but it looks better like that, don't it?
Hell yeah.
You can read the thing, see top, and I put the new AC in it.
On the go.
We just have to replace those mounts eventually.
Yeah, finally got this thing back. She riding with you.
No, hell no. We gonna try to put it over me. I need to spend some time alone with my baby.
Okay.
She ain't seen her mama now.
In the big bourbon. What you doing, Shay? We're going to get a battery. Check the car seat. Are you good, shorty? Because you was doing crazy. You was crying and stuff. You ready to go. She trying to get active. She want to run around and be bad. But, no.
See you good, man. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Thanks. Now we gotta go get this battery. Yeah, it's time for me to eat.
What's in it?
And they said they do free installs. Now you're a YouTuber, huh? Before I get copyrighted, huh?
Huh?
So now you're a YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber. Follow me at Sincerely Carolyn. I be vlogging. He be in my vlogs.
Need to clean this motherfucker out.
That's what I said. Baby needs to be free.
I gave them the core. They said we do free installs. I said, well, shit. Let me get in now. Yeah. Need some gas, some air.
I don't care about money.
Look at me, I'm a good husband. I'm finna just try to buck this out. I'm finna turn it in. Alright, man. Cleaned up. I went and buffed that spot out. Came out pretty decent. She still gouged the paint in some areas. Some I couldn't even get, man. I was trying my best, but it wasn't coming out. I'm like, yeah, just paint off right there. Try to get this without the buffer was too big, basically. But I think a lot of these was rock chips, and it scratched into the rock chip. It looked like I heated this up. But this gouge and this gouge was already there. Yeah. Yeah, but stand back, man. It looks great. Looks great. Yeah. And it runs like nothing ever happened. So I'm definitely gonna leave them a good 5-star. This boy was sputtering bad. He just said coils and plugs. So that's something I could have did, but this is what I be trying to explain to y'all. Say if I diagnosed it right, so that's 2 to 3 hours. I order the parts, which take time, or if I had to go to the store, that take time. I gotta put it on. I gotta drive it and make sure it's fixed. And if it wasn't fixed, I just waste a day and a half of work, which it was worth it for me to just pay to get it done. And yeah, the results are there. Some stuff funny made sense to me. I calculated, like, if I'm trying to save jumping over $1 to save a nickel, that don't make sense. If y'all get what I'm saying. If I'm basically trying to not spend 10 cents, but I'm gonna end up losing $1. That's how it be.
Baby looking pretty. Sorry, that's not orange. This is peach. You know, TikTok.
No, look at my truck. Did that damn oil thing. Y'all remember I changed the oil in Malibu? Burnt like nothing. I'm cleaning this whole driveway, but yeah, my truck, man, he got some different oil.
How pretty is she? She look like a brand new woman, baby. Do you see this? Yeah. With her, she ain't never been one of those. Okay, she's clean. She ain't wobbling, drop it like it's hot. She doing what she needs to do. Do you see her? She's shiny. She got to do a little.
You still would have rather me fix it, huh?
Yes.
Hell nah. Nobody got time for that.
Because, yeah, I don't be trusting my baby and people.
Nah, they had 4.6. When the hell you ever seen a place with a 4.6?
I don't know. I don't do that car stuff you do. But don't show my license plate.
Oh, yeah.
But like, look at how cute she is. Now she's gonna get the inside done. Oh, she is so pretty and shiny. I'm so happy.
Amen.
Thanks, babe. You're the best. You did that. You did that.
This for me.
Yes, you did. That big white stain. You got that out. I told you though. I said, babe, you said you messed up your car. I said, babe, this can come out. Look, I'm scratching out. You said,
I ain't want to do it. It look good from 50 feet.
It look good up close too.
It
What you mean? Compared
5,
to what did you do?
From
Did you get it before?
Yeah, it's in the last
It looks
video.
really good.
Yeah, you happy, huh?
I'm ecstatic. I'm past happy because
That's what I be saying.
my nice lights.
You can
is
see your
looking
shoes,
clean.
huh?
The whole car can see us with our mirror.
Yeah, that's called clean, baby. It's clean. It's called that reflection. You got a little clean car.
Get the remote
And
so I
then
can change the
Yeah,
battery.
that can have reflection too.
Now she's trying to call me go ass.
Get the remote.
Let me see your car. Which car is cleaner? The big body Benz.
That.
Yeah, for now.
Big body Benz. Remember?
All right, we're gonna see who keep their own car to clean this.
Because you be cleaning my car. So why?
Yeah, I won.
Yeah, you won that one. But that's because now the kids gonna start riding with you.
Yeah, I still gonna keep my stuff clean.
Baby, big body Benz.
All right, y'all.
To be dusty.